Hi, I am Babita Chaudhary and I am a proud member of the PRISM family. Life has blessed me with a collection of beautiful stories filled with moments of gratitude for countless individuals who have contributed in so many ways to shape me into the person that I am today. But if I have to talk about one Anubhav of mine, the most special chapter of my life, one that has had a profound impact on my perspective, that comes from the role that I played as an army officer's wife. My Anubhav as part of this big army family made me discover that it is not only the big milestones, but also the simple joys that add colors to your life. Today, I carry with me the lessons of resilience, the importance of human connections, and a deep gratitude for every moment and everything that I have. And my motto has become, let's embrace the beauty of life. Thank you.